All right. Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It's Wednesday, the 27th of May. This is our midweek market update. This goes out for free. If you want to join us, link in the description. We'd love to have you in our trading room. Let's talk about things here. The SPY today, down, but didn't go anywhere. And I think this is what you have to really look at here is, are we down today? Yes. Is volume anything? Nope. 28 million shares. We'll get to 50 million in the next 15 minutes somehow, some way. But look at the size of these candles. They're small, they're tiny. We didn't go anywhere, right? The Q is the same thing, a little bit stronger, right? Put a new all-time high in before it reversed. IWM, Dow, no, they really don't want them. The financials, nope, they're back to dead to the world. Energy, right? I'm just going through these quickly. XBI, right? They don't want that either. It's up a little bit today. So what's going on? So for today, we finally got a day of rest for the semis. The semis gapped up on another, strong move up, and they sold off and they engulfed yesterday's candle before. No, we can't let it go that far. It's scary. So they bought them right back. Nvidia this morning here today coming off the lows, but kind of ugly, needs to regain that 21 day. AMD, yeah, didn't go anywhere. Micron, yep, down but didn't go anywhere. SNDK, you get the idea. Taiwan Semi, new all-time highs. Marble reports tonight, didn't, whatever. Intel, nothing going on. So what happened today? We saw some rotation. We saw Hood with a nice move today. Didn't trade that, but got to the 21 day, still range bound. Meta, I just bought a couple calls. I traded a couple times. I'm still long at my core account. So the 100-day, nice push there. Talk that they are going to start charging subscriptions for their Meta, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all that. We'll see how that goes. Right, that's up nicely. Apple today did put a new all-time high, but didn't hold it. Google had a nice bounce back day, trying to hold the 8 day. Still long a few Amazon calls here as well. Nice breakout there. We'll see if it can hold it. IGV today, all over the place. Microsoft as well. We have earnings from Snowflake and Salesforce tonight. If they like these reports and they buy them, this could ignite that sector. So we're hoping to see some kind of rotation. What else was good today? IREN had a very nice day. IRN, I traded that. It's on the highs. Not easy intraday, but if you bought the dip, you got rewarded. And this is kind of this sloppy trade we're seeing in this market. They like to pop things and yank them, then pop them again. It's just what's going on here. Boeing had a nice day. It wasn't so bad overall. And overall, the market held in just fine. So we have 2 trading days left in this week. Then we go into this month, and then we go into the month of June. And overall, the market's holding great. We have the SpaceX IPO on the 12th, Tesla, which we didn't talk about. I didn't trade Tesla particularly well today. I lost money, then made money back on it, but never got green on that trade itself. Uh, what's going on with Tesla? I mean, Musk pumped it last night by saying, "Yeah, I think I want to merge SpaceX and Tesla." Well, that's nice to say, and I get it, but they're two very expensive companies. And I started doing some research on how this would be done. So it would probably be something like a holding company like Google, where you had Alphabet above it as a holding company, and then you would have the two companies providing shares. But it's not going to be easy. You're going to need two companies to agree to it. I think until SpaceX IPOs and we see how that's received, this is it just is what it is. But it was enough to move the stock nicely again today, and that's all that really matters. I continue to say this: this market just wants to go up. I don't think it's going to sell off before we get into the SpaceX IPO, which is on June 12th at this point, unless they move it. I did some trimming today. For what it's worth, I sold half my SPY and QQQ positions for I had since April of last year. I also dumped my forward position for a very small profit after holding that thing forever, but I did get the dividends, whatever the hell that was. And we'll go from there. So I hope you're all well. Love to have you in our room. We'll catch you guys in the morning. Everybody else staying late tonight. We have earnings tonight, Salesforce, Snow, and Marvel.